The AILINKE Ultrasonic Humidifier is a top-fill design humidifier with a large capacity tank that can hold up to 8 liters of water. It also has a mist level selector with 3 different settings, as well as a 1 to 12 hour timer. Additionally, this humidifier has a no water leakage feature and will automatically shut off when it runs out of water. It has an upper touch panel that makes it easy to operate, and also it comes with an HD display that helps you to track the humidity levels. This humidifier also has UV sterilization fresh air and operates quietly at under 26 decibels. Lastly, the sleep mode and auto shut-off mode make this humidifier even more convenient to use. Here's what I'll show you in this video. Humidifier for large room and bedroom. The 2.11 gallon ultrasonic humidifier is designed for large rooms up to 500 square feet and long lasts for 24 hours of humidification between refills. Top fill design humidifier with essential oils tray. By using this humidifier, you can easily open the lid to add water from the top without bending it over. Add your favorite essential oils to the tray on the back of the humidifier to relax and enjoy your undisturbed time. Customized humidity and 3 speed options. It has an adjustable humidistat with 3 levels of humidification and has a maximum fine mist output of 300 milliliters per hour that makes it easy to customize your humidity at home. Whisper quiet and water shortage protection. This large capacity humidifier runs below 26 decibels, which promotes good sleep for the family, especially the baby. If it reaches your custom humidity or there is no water in the humidifier, it will automatically shut down to prevent damage and ensure your safety. Quick controls. Sensitive touch makes it easy to operate, and the remote is very convenient that helps you to control it from a distance. Humidistat. You can customize your humidity between 40% to 90% by using a humidistat or console in it. 1 to 12 hours timer. You can set the timer between 1 to 12 hours as per your schedule and save power while you sleep. 30 days free replacement and 1-year warranty. Amazon firmly stands by its products. Please feel free to contact a customer care person for any product assistance, and the best after-sales service team is always with you. Note: before use, put 1 tissue into the tray for a long machine life. Nine reasons to buy. The wide opening of this humidifier gives you easy access to clean deeply. The large tank on this humidifier can run for up to 24 hours without needing to be refilled. The humidifier features a built-in LED night light which can be turned on or off as required. It has 3 mist speed levels, so you can choose the amount of humidity that is right for you. This humidifier has whisper quiet operation, means you won't be disturbed while sleeping. You can set the timer to 1 to 12 hours and it will automatically shut off when the time is up. The upper touch panel on this humidifier makes it easy to operate with just a few taps of your finger. The remote control lets you operate the humidifier from across the room. This humidifier produces an output of up to 300 milliliters per hour, making it perfect for larger rooms. 2 reasons not to buy. It does not allow you to change the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. This humidifier does not produce enough mist. Does this humidifier need a filter? Answer: no filter is needed for this humidifier. How loud is the pump of this humidifier? Answer: the pump of this humidifier is super quiet. Does this humidifier generate any ozone? Answer: this humidifier does not generate any ozone, but with UV sterilization function, It helps to kill bacteria that are present in water. How do you clean this humidifier? Answer: it comes with a scrub brush, and it is really easy to clean because of its shape. Does it automatically shut off when the water tank is empty? Answer: yes, it will be automatically shut off. The AILINKE Ultrasonic Humidifier is a great choice for anyone looking for a large capacity humidifier. It can be easily operated and has many features to make life easier. This humidifier is perfect for use in a bedroom, large room, or home office, and comes with many safety features to ensure your peace of mind. The whisper quiet operation, adjustable humidity level, and 1 to 12 hour timer are all excellent features that set this humidifier apart from the competition. Whether you're looking for a humidifier to improve your sleep, reduce static electricity, or simply want to add some extra moisture to the air, the AILINKE Ultrasonic Humidifier is the best choice. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.